Amitofu. As I woke up this morning, I looked out of my window and I saw this little bird, of which you can see the photo at the beginning of this video, uh, sitting there in the misty morning sunrise. And it reminded me of a German saying which goes like, "Der frühe Vogel fängt den Wurm," which means the bird that wake up early, also early catch the worm, which also means if you stand up early, if you start early, you can reach something, you can do more. So it's about performance. I'm born creation, and there is a saying which goes a bit different. It's a kind of joke, but also a saying. It goes like, koja ptica rano pjeva, rano se u gnjezdo usere, which means the bird that sings early, also early shit in its nest. So that let me ask myself, who am I? What kind of bird am I? What kind of bird do you want you to be, or do you want me to be? I don't know. I really don't know. All these questions has no answer, so just keep don't know. It seems that we are just some birds in the misty morning sunrise, keeping that don't know mind. Always don't know. Amitov.